Hello Odomates, welcome to the Finable Consulting channel. In this video, we'll show you how to create a new user in Odoo step by step. First, make sure you're logging in with an admin account. You need this to add a new user. After that, on the main dashboard, click on the Setting app. This is where you manage your user. And now on the left side, find User and Companies and then click on User. Click the Create button to add a new user. Type in the person name and their mail ID. Next, scroll down and choose what this person can do by turning on the right access right like sales, administrator, inventory, purchase, etc. Then now click on save option and click on send invitation email. The user will get an email to set up their account, or if you want to set the password yourself, then click on this action button and then click on change password and enter the new password for that user. After that, click on change password. That's it. You have added a new user to Odoo. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the Finable Consulting channel for more Odoo tips.